Are you ready to feel like a superstar? Because that's precisely how you'll feel when you get behind one of these luxurious cars. We're talking about cars that turn heads, stop traffic, and make a statement. These are the cars that celebrities, athletes, and business tycoons own. And now, you too can experience the lavish lifestyle they enjoy. These are not just cars, but rolling works of art, built to perfection with precision engineering and unparalleled craftsmanship. Come with us on a journey through the top 5 most expensive luxury cars in the world this 2023 and get ready to live the life of your dreams. Welcome to Idle Luxury. Here you'll find everything from unique lifestyle tips to luxury travel destinations. We'll show you the best ways to experience the finer things in life from the comfort of your own home to around the world. Get ready to experience the world of luxury and fine living. Number 5 is a Rolls-Royce Sweptail. It is a unique and exquisite automobile, custom built for an extraordinarily wealthy and fortunate buyer. It is one of the most expensive cars in the world, costing $13 million. Rolls, highly Royce's trained artisans and engineers, worked on the vehicle for 4 years to fit the owner's specifications. The car's exterior is sleek and sporty, with an appealing, long-lasting, hand-polished aluminum body. The front grille expanded hood and tapering tail end of the car create a distinctive shape. The vehicle's interior is stunning, with a large cabin with high-quality materials. The seats are wrapped in hand-stitched leather, while the dashboard includes stunning exotic wood veneer. The panoramic sunroof is one of the car's most eye-catching features, stretching the entire length of the vehicle and flooding the cabin with natural light. It may also be opened to let in the fresh air, giving the driver freedom and openness. To ensure a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience, the vehicle is outfitted with a cutting-edge sound system, climate control, and other high-end features. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is a monument to Rolls artisans, Royces and engineers, artistry and expertise. Number 4 is SP Automotive Chaos Zero Gravity. Spiro's Panopolis Automotive has built 2 variants of the Chaos hypercar, Chaos Earth and Chaos Zero Gravity. Zero Gravity is more powerful and costlier, costing $14.4 million. Both variants include a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V10 engine, housed in a billet aluminum or 3D printed magnesium alloy block. The Chaos Zero Gravity runs on E85 fuel and has a top speed of nearly 310 miles per hour, which can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 1.55 seconds. The automobile has all-around independent suspension with titanium or magnesium wishbones, 3D printed magnesium front wheels, and 3D printed titanium rear wheels. The cabin comprises carbon fiber, magnesium, titanium, Zillion, and Alcantara. It features a yoke-style steering wheel with a screen in the center and many instrument panel screens. Spiro's Panopolis Automotive plans to construct 20 vehicles for each continent. The Chaos Hypercar is intended to be a city car that may be utilized regularly. Number 3 is a Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. It is an extremely rare and precisely manufactured supercar with just 3 vehicles and a $17.5 million price tag. It has a lightweight carbon titanium composite body, an interior with unusual leather seats, an exposed carbon fiber dashboard, and a convertible glass top. The convertible top allows for a thrilling wind in your hair ride, giving the automobile the ultimate driving experience. While the price tag may put even the wealthiest auto collectors off, the car's rarity and craftsmanship make it a must-have for those who love the finer things in life. It all comes down to how much money you will spend on quality. If you have $17.5 million dollars and a passion for all things automotive, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is a car for you. Just be prepared to pay as much as the automobile itself. Are you enjoying what you see? Don't go anywhere because by the end of this video, we'll reveal the most luxurious car of 2023. But wait, there is more. We also have an exciting bonus fact about luxury cars that you don't want to miss. But before we get to that, let us know in the comments which one of these beauties caught your eye the most. Get ready to be amazed. Number 2 is the Bugatti lavish. It is a car that is so rare, elegant, and breathtaking that it almost appears too good to be true. This work of automotive art embodies everything that distinguishes Bugatti as a true master of the trade. It's also one of the most expensive new cars in the world, with a stunning $18.7 million price tag. The Bugatti Lavish Noir can reach up to 260 miles per hour because of its carbon fiber body, quad turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine, and 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. The exterior is sleek, streamlined, and downright gorgeous, with a traditional and futuristic design. The inside is stunning and technologically advanced cockpit. This car's components have been meticulously designed to give the driver and passengers an unforgettable experience. This is a real, one-of-a-kind car, with only one ever produced for a single buyer who paid the asking price. It's an engineering and design marvel, a symbol of exclusivity, and an actual work of automotive art. And if you ever get the chance to view one in person, prepare to be completely blown away. Number 1 on the list is a Rolls-Royce boat tail with a whopping price of $28 million. It is a limited edition luxury car created by the British luxury automaker Rolls-Royce. The automobile is supposed to look like a yacht, and it is said to be inspired by 1930s J-class racing yachts. The boat tail is constructed in Rolls-Royce's aluminum space frame design with unique coachwork. The retractable roof of the boat tail, which can be raised to reveal a picnic set built into the back deck, is its most distinguishing feature. The picnic set includes a champagne cooler, a bunch of custom-designed glassware, and a parasol for shade. A removable dashboard timepiece made by Swiss luxury watchmaker Bovet 1822, a specially commissioned sound system, and a unique umbrella kept in a custom-built compartment in the driver's door are among the other bespoke elements of the boat tail. A 6.75-liter V12 engine delivers 563 horsepower and 627 pound-foot of torque in the boat tail. It has a top speed of 155 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. Hence, if you want to be the epitome of riches and elegance, the Rolls-Royce boat tail is a vehicle for you. It's an actual investment piece, a work of art, and a sign of success. The Rolls-Royce boat tail is the ultimate statement of flair and luxury for those who can afford it. Did you know that some luxury cars are not only visually stunning, but also have their own unique fragrance? The Rolls-Royce, for instance, has a distinctive scent called the Spirit of Ecstasy, specifically created for their vehicles. This exquisite aroma is carefully crafted to enhance the driving experience and create a truly immersive atmosphere. With a blend of leather, wood, and delicate floral notes, the fragrance transports the occupants to a world of sophistication and luxury. It's no wonder the luxury cars are not just machines, but true works of art that stimulate all the senses. The world of luxury cars constantly pushes the boundaries of what is possible. These most expensive luxury cars of 2023 demonstrate the epitome of automotive engineering, design, and craftsmanship. They symbolize wealth, power, and status. Owning one of these machines is the ultimate statement of success. But don't let the eye-watering price tags discourage you. We hope today's video has inspired you to keep reaching for the stars, dream big, and who knows, maybe you'll be driving off in one of these magnificent machines. And as always, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.